Ano? Napatingin ka?
Sigarilyo.
Ayaw nga. Parang ulan na naman.
Jollibee pa kami kaganina.
Oo, ulan na naman. Oh? Oh, wait lang. Video ko lang to. Panglagay sa vlog mamaya. Kaya ako mag-vlog dito. Ah, sige, mag-vlog ka nga.
Pagod ako, mamaya na ako magsasalita.
Hirap.
Paakyat eh.
Oo nga. Alright. So, yung dun sa may baba na panotaryuhan is closed.
We have to find another.
So we have to find another one. It's Sunday, so yeah. Generally on Sundays, that's how it goes. On Sundays, that's how it is. Places are usually closed, especially here in the Philippines.
Ulan. Paulan na naman. Paulan.
Video na natin i-video ha.
We're gonna miss Philippines. This is our dating place. How did we?
This is where we used to have our dates. Where we do nothing. Ma-feeling lang.
Feeling lang. Person. Daanan.
Baka nga. Eh no.
Oo nga.
Papatuloy ang nagdaanan na yan.
Baka siguro parang din na nag-traffic dito, no? Feel mo? Nagawing ano?
Hindi, feel ko yung mga company na dyan nadadaan.
Ay, oo. Diretso dun saan. Parang safe.
Kasi parang daanan naman talaga dati. Pwede rin, magiging dalawa yung daanan.
Oo.
Magiging one way na to.
Ups. That's all.
I think if you have a business in the Philippines, it should be automatic to have a Facebook page with your phone number, days and time of availability. Makes it easier, you know? Oops. It's raining again. It's never-ending rain. It's been raining for like almost every day for the past week or so. Yeah, I think so. Grabe na kalamba, boys. Super traffic na talaga. 5:34, nandito kami sa crossing. Crossing pa ba to? Ano na to? Parte na ng ano? Parian. Parian na ata to. Lagpas na nung tuloy. Wala kasing mga ano dyan, nakalagay kung anong lugar to eh. Pero yeah, I'm just showing how traffic it is, guys.
Dito pala yung Dole. Department of
Mas, I wonder how long it'll take us to ano. I wonder how long it'll take us to dito? Get home. 5:34 I said. 5:35. Okay. I'll update you guys when we get home. Or alright. What time is it right now? 6:03. So from 5:34 to 6:03. 30 minutes, not too bad. Could have been worse. I thought it was gonna be way worse. I cannot lie from you. I cannot